Step inside a realm where luxury transcends mere wealth, where every corner tells a story of opulence and grandeur. It becomes an art form, a symphony of extravagance orchestrated to perfection. Each piece of furniture, each decorative element, meticulously chosen to create an ambiance of unparalleled elegance. This is not just living, it's an experience curated for a select few. A dining room that hosts feasts fit for royalty, a home theater that rivals the best cinemas in the world. Individuals who reside at the pinnacle of indulgence, shaping reality with a flick of the wrist. They drive the finest cars, wear the most exquisite clothes, and walk through hallways that echo with the whispers of luxury. Prepare yourself, for you are about to witness the daily spectacle of a modern-day king. From sunrise to sunset, every moment is a testament to a life lived beyond measure. A life where the extraordinary is the everyday. Imagine a sprawling bungalow, an architectural masterpiece nestled amidst a verdant paradise. This is a place where every detail has been meticulously crafted to create an aura of opulence and tranquility. Its facade, a testament to timeless elegance, shimmers under the golden rays of dawn. The architecture speaks of a bygone era, yet it stands proudly in the present, blending history with modern luxury. Rolling lawns, manicured to perfection, stretch out like a velvet carpet. Each blade of grass is a testament to the care and dedication poured into maintaining this pristine landscape. Crystal-clear fountains dance in the morning light, their gentle murmur a soothing symphony to the ears. These fountains are not just features, they are the heartbeat of this serene environment. This is not just a home, it's a sanctuary of grandeur. Every room, every corner exudes a sense of majesty and comfort, inviting you to experience a life of unparalleled luxury and peace. High above the world, in a bedroom fit for royalty, our protagonist wakes. The room is a sanctuary of opulence, adorned with intricate tapestries and golden accents that catch the morning light. Sunlight streams through floor-to-ceiling windows, draped in the finest silk. The rays of the sun dance across the room, illuminating every corner with a soft golden hue. It bathes the room in a warm, ethereal glow, creating an atmosphere of serene tranquility. The gentle light seems to whisper promises of a new beginning. He awakens on a bespoke mattress handcrafted with the finest Egyptian cotton. Each thread is a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship, ensuring a night of perfect rest. The air carries the subtle scent of jasmine, a bespoke fragrance designed exclusively for him. This delicate aroma fills the room, adding to the sense of luxury and comfort. Today is a new day, a blank canvas upon which he will paint his desires. The possibilities are endless, and the world awaits his next move. In this palace of dreams, anything is possible. He rises, his silk pajamas whispering against his skin. His slippers, crafted from the softest cashmere, caress his feet as he walks towards his private balcony. The city below is still waking, oblivious to the opulent drama unfolding above. This is his kingdom, and within its gilded borders he reigns supreme as king.